How to fix MetaTrader 5 account login authorization failed issue. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix MetaTrader 5 account login authorization failed issue. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll need to do is open up your settings. On your settings, go to General, tap on General, and on your General, you'll need to head over to your iPhone storage. Tap on iPhone storage, and there we are. Now here you will need to locate your MetaTrader 5. So let's locate our MetaTrader 5. It should be somewhere around here. Okay, there it is. Now tap on that, and here you will see an option called Offload App. Tap on Offload App and tap on Offload again. After you've offloaded the app completely, reinstall it. After you reinstall it, MetaTrader 5 will have cleared out its cache. After doing that, try to log in or sign in into your account again. And if that still does not work, open up your App Store, search for MetaTrader 5. After you search for MetaTrader 5, check if there is an update available. If you see an update available for MetaTrader 5, go back. Okay, so if you see an update option instead of the open, tap on update. And after you update it, there will be bug fixes and performance improvements. And yeah, they will simply have patches which should fix the issue, whatever the issue is causing your error. And that is how you fix this issue, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.